Before you spend your hard-earned cash, make sure to do your research. In this video we're going to be covering the top 5 miter saws. We strive to give you the best recommendations in terms of price, performance, and intended use. The products featured in this video are not presented in any particular order, so be sure to watch to the end to find the one which is perfect for you. As always, the links to the most up-to-date prices are in the description. Looking for a reliable and efficient table saw for your woodworking projects? The Bosch GTS 15-10 job site table saw is a top contender in the market. With a powerful 15-amp motor running at 3,800 RPM, this saw is perfect for both rip-cutting and cross-cutting various wood materials. One of its standout features is the convenience brake, which stops the blade in just 3 seconds, saving you time and increasing productivity. The open frame design with an open frame roll bar makes this table saw durable yet lightweight for easy transportation. Additionally, the soft start circuitry and electronically regulated speed ensures smooth operation and prevent tripping circuit breakers. Pair it with the included GTA 50W gravity rise wheeled stand for seamless job site mobility. The Bosch GTS 15-10 job site table saw is a must-have tool for any woodworking enthusiast. Looking for a versatile and precise miter saw for your woodworking projects? The Procut 10-inch sliding compound miter saw is here to make your cutting tasks a breeze. With dual speed options of 3,200 RPM for soft metals and PVC, and 5,000 RPM for wood, this saw offers flexibility to tackle different materials with ease. The built-in laser guide ensures accuracy for those intricate cuts, while the 3 included blades cater to various cutting needs. Whether you need to make angled cuts or expand your workspace, the Procut 10 has you covered with adjustable bevel angles and expandable side panels. Say goodbye to limited cutting capacity with this reliable and efficient miter saw. Bernadette from New Zealand gave this product 5 stars and said, "Perfect for my shop." Looking for a reliable and versatile miter saw for your woodworking projects? The Metabo HPT Multivolt miter saw kit is a top contender in the market. With its powerful multivolt battery, you can make up to 182x4 crosscuts per charge, providing you with long-lasting use without interruptions. The Zact Cut LED shadow line system ensures precision and accuracy in every cut you make, giving you professional results every time. Operating at a max speed of 3,800 RPM, this miter saw can handle various materials with ease. Its extendable rip fence and large table provide stability and support for your workpieces, making your cutting experience smooth and efficient. Additionally, the ergonomic design with classic Metabo HPT controls offers comfort and ease of use during extended cutting sessions. Invest in the Metabo HPT Multivolt miter saw kit for precise cuts, reliable performance, and user-friendly features that enhance your woodworking projects. Looking to upgrade your measuring tool game? Look no further than the Riken M1 caliber. This innovative tool is a game changer when it comes to measuring materials for miter saw cuts. With its patent-pending design, the M1 caliber clamps easily to almost any saw fence and provides precise measurements on a large, backlit LCD screen. Say goodbye to the hassle of using a tape measure and pencil. The M1 caliber digitizes your miter saw experience, allowing you to cut stock materials up to 3 times faster than traditional methods. Plus, it's compatible with a variety of saw types and materials, making it perfect for professionals, contractors, woodworkers, and more. Not only does the M1 caliber save you time and increase accuracy, but it also enhances safety by centralizing measurement activity in one convenient location. Say hello to quicker, safer, and more efficient cuts with the Riken M1 caliber measuring tool. Looking for a powerful and versatile miter saw? The Skill 10 dual bevel sliding compound miter saw offers a 15-amp motor that delivers quick and detailed cuts at 4,800 RPM. With a dual bevel feature, you can perform cuts in 4 positive stop positions at different angles. The LED shadow line ensures high-precision cuts with greater accuracy than lasers. This miter saw has a 2x12 cutting capacity for lumber at 90 degrees and 2x8 at 45 degrees. It also cuts at common angles, allowing up to 50 degrees left and right with 11 positive stops at the most used angles. A must-have tool for woodworking projects that require accurate and efficient cutting. Marcella from England gave this product 5 stars and said, "Works great. Absolutely love this saw. Smooth operation." There is always a lot to think about when making an informed purchase, but hopefully we've given you the confidence to take the next step. Remember, all the links to the products in this video are in the description down below. If any of the links are broken, please let us know in the comments and we will fix it as soon as possible. Thank you for watching our video, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. We'll see you next time.